Hi Scorpios, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to pick out some of the energies of the middle of the month for you, and we are going to see what are the guidance messages for you in this month. Okay, so let's get started with your reading for the middle of the month for my Scorpions, May 2021. What are the energies for my Scorpions? So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, so Scorpios, and I'm going to take out some of your past, present and future energies here. So we will see according to that what kind of situation you are in. Okay, it can be anything. I can pick up some your love energies, your career, finances. All the energies are going to come up. So let's see now what is. Okay, okay, strong. All right, so let's see what is there for my Scorpios at the back of the deck. It has Eight of Pentacles. You know, Eight of Pentacles always tells us about how we are really working for something. You know, you are really busy. It can be making pentacles, it can be finding a thing around you, a situation in which a lot of research is required. So that is what you are doing. You are literally working day and night for this thing. Your mind is literally working like that. You know, you might have not even time for other things. Whatever this thing is, you are devoting a lot of time, a lot of energy, a lot of research. You are trying to do a lot of things. Like, you actually are busy finding out this puzzle or whatever the situation is. In the past, we have Knight of Rods, Three of Pentacles, and Four of Wands. So this can be a situation in regards with the relationship. If you are trying, because you know, you might have involved in a relationship where you might have collaborated with someone first, like in finance, in relation with finance, and then you started a relationship with that person, but it was just a fling before. Okay, you were like, okay, let's just have a chit chat, let's just talk, and that was a fling kind of a relationship. But you saw that some things are not really as it seems. You saw that you are trying to get involved with someone who might be already involved with someone else. You know, this person can be already married, but I think that you didn't know. Or if, because I really get that you might have not known the exact reality. So that is why you are really working to find out the truth as well. You might be working for that. Okay, so in the present, it's Judgment, Seven of Swords, and the Emperor. Yeah, this can be your energy as well as someone else's, because it's in the middle of the reading. Seven of Swords. So this person, either you are being sneaky, as in you are trying to find some answers by being sneaky, or you know, obviously you cannot just ask someone to give me the answers. You have to be little sneaky, you have to be little you know, like that I cannot tell this person what I'm trying to find, but you try to find out the answers by yourself. Or this person is also being sneaky. That is why you are becoming very suspicious about this situation. So somebody around you might be playing trickery, or might be doing some foul stuff, you know, not good for you, not even for your family. So that is why you are trying to find out the cut for the situation, like how to counter attack this person, how to make myself or my family safe from this person. So that is the reason you are actually, you know, with the Emperor card, I really feel that this is your energy. You have taken the stand to defeat, to just see how this person, how Emperor is literally, you know, he is very stern and he is coming towards this person who is being sneaky. So I feel that you are going to catch this person, like you are the police and that is the thief. or something like that. You are the one who is going towards this person, and you are going to catch this person. Like, how dare you come in between my family and me, or or this is a third party situation as well. Anything it can be. Okay, so in the coming future, we have the Empress, Four of Pentacles, and the Page of Cups. So you are not going to hold back now. You are holding on to this thing. You are going to either communicate with someone, or you are trying to find, since you are trying to find answers. So I'm also getting that you might be waiting for some messages to come, so that it will help you in your research work. So I think this is going to happen. So if you're waiting for something to, let's say a mail, let's say a letter from someone, a message from someone, an information from someone, so it is going to come to you in the coming future. Let's elaborate this reading now. It's really interesting. These energies are really interesting, Scorpios. Let's see what is there for my Scorpios. Let's clarify Scorpions reading. Why the Eight of Pentacles are here? What kind of research my Scorpions are doing in regards with? Sorry. Okay, the Magician. Okay, so this can be little foul as well. Okay, so either you are actually doing some positive stuff like manifesting, you might be even doing some healings or spells as well are involved in this thing. Not the bad spells, I would say. It's more about some good, you might be even getting some strong messages or strong hints from the universe. So you are looking into that things, what is happening. You are actually finding some information. You are becoming the information seeker. I don't know, but I am really getting these energies for my Scorpions. Why the Magician is here? The Hierophant, strong energies again. So yes, this can be a thing which involves marriage, which involves people, society around you. And this can be a thing because you might be going to get married to this person as well. So that is why you are feeling fishy about this person, and you are trying to find out the answers. Why is this person behaving like this? Because Scorpios, as we know, they are very intuitive. So you are trying to find this intuition inside you, and you are trying to find the answers, because this suspicion of yours is really hard to digest, whatever suspicions you are getting now. Let's see the past energies. Knight of Rods, Three of Pentacles, and Four of Rods. Let's see. Ace of Pentacles. This was definitely a new beginning. As you felt it is a new beginning. It is something like a new communication. See how strong this bond, something started really fast, and that is the main reason why this situation has started so fast for me. A new person came into my life, and all of a sudden so much of communication, all of a sudden marriage talks. Why is this happening? You are really, because you are a person who does not get involved, although you are a person who involves in the thing, like in a detail, in a good version, I would tell you. But this thing is not your cup of tea, I feel. So let's see why the Judgment, the Seven of Swords, and the Emperor cards are here for my Scorpions in the present energies. The Star and the Two of Wands I have picked up, and the Page of Swords. See, information seeker. So you are gathering some information. You are waiting for somebody to talk to you, to tell the real truth, and you are being in the crossroads, what to do, whether to get married to this person or not, whether to take a decision right now or not. You are really finding some answers. You are trying to get some signs from the universe, because the Judgment is still pending. The Judgment has not come yet. The Empress, Four of Pentacles, and the Page of Cups. Six of Wands, I see victory in your side. That means whatever you are trying to find out, it can be good or bad. Okay, it is not telling us that what is this person's real motive, but you are finding it suspicious. You are finding what you need answers, but you are going to get victorious. That means whatever message, whatever information you are trying to seek, you will get the information. It can be good or bad, but at least you are getting it. Okay, whatever. So if you are working really hard for this situation, just keep on working, because you will get whatever you are finding. Five of Swords. See, people might be involved, like trickery is involved somewhere. Something is not very positive, but let's clarify something. Ace of Wands, the Moon, suspicions, again hidden truths coming out. Queen of Swords. Something is going to come out, Scorpio, so be ready for this situation. Moon with the Queen of Swords. A lot of tricks involved, suspicions, hidden truths which are going to come out, and you are going to reveal those situations, those truths. Be ready to get some new messages. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Scorpions. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.